When you're interviewing, you need to do your research on the company, and LinkedIn has made it easier than ever by putting all that key information in one place. So today we will be going over how you can use LinkedIn to research for your next job interview and what to be looking for. I'm Cassandra, and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips to gain confidence and beat the overwhelm in the career journey. So let's get started. Okay, so basically every company has a company page on LinkedIn. So when you are interviewing, go to that company page. You're going to want to look at the About page, the Values page, and possibly also go to the People page so you can look at current employees. I'm sorry, I said About, it's the Life page. It's really helpful to look through all these pages because you can get a feel of what the company values, what their mission statement is, what they're all about, and this can really help you to infuse these things in your interview answers. Even if they don't give a ton of information on these pages, they give a nice starting point, and they normally link out to bigger pages on their company websites that go in more depth over culture, their values, their mission, how they feel about their employees, how they treat their employees, all those things. So at the very least, it's a really easy way to navigate to the pages you really need to look at instead of searching their websites and trying to go through 18 clicks to get to those pages. And then that People page, you can search for the people you're going to be interviewing with or the people in the department you're looking to be hired to be in. Read over those people's profiles, see what they're interested in, see if they've been at the company long, what they do, etc. It's just going to help you feel a little bit more prepared for the interview because you know a little bit more about this person you're going to meet or kind of the background of the people in the department. Now, are they going to see that you looked at their profiles? Probably. This is not a bad thing. This is going to show them that you care and you did your research. However, I wouldn't reach out yet to connect. Wait to see what the result is. Either way, you can ask to connect later, but in the midst of the interview process, that's a little bit of a gray area. I would just wait, but them seeing it, it's okay. And then last, see if you have any connections in common with those people and reach out to your friends, those connections in common, and see if you can get any intel on the company. What are their likes, dislikes? Are they happy there? What do they say about the company? Any kind of info you can get that will help you in your interview. Basically, don't sleep on the awesomeness that is the company About page and all the resources it can easily link you to. This is a prime target for doing your research during an interview, so make sure you start here. And if you are like, oof, I am just getting started on LinkedIn, I know nothing about it, I have a great checklist for you. You can download it in the description box below. It is my LinkedIn All-Star Profile checklist, so make sure you grab a copy of that. And that's it for today. With this being done, I've got some other videos that'll help you out right over here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!